When it comes to cooking, the right tools can transform your experience from frustrating to effortless. This Misen Premium Nonstick Frying Pan 8-inch is a game-changer in the kitchen, combining innovative design, durability, and outstanding nonstick performance. Whether you're a home chef perfecting your omelet skills or someone who enjoys quick meals with easy cleanup, this pan delivers on all fronts. In this detailed review, we'll dive into what makes the Misen Premium Nonstick Frying Pan a must-have for your kitchen. By the end, you'll understand why this nonstick skillet stands out in a market filled with competitors. Key features of the Misen Premium Nonstick Frying Pan. 1. Superior nonstick coating. The Misen frying pan features an advanced nonstick surface that sets it apart from ordinary pans. Designed for both amateur cooks and professionals, the nonstick coating ensures that food releases effortlessly, eliminating the hassle of scraping stuck-on remnants. Delicate dishes like omelets and fish slide out perfectly every time. You can use less oil or butter, promoting healthier cooking. The coating is PFOA-free, so it's safe for your family while maintaining excellent durability over time. 2. Built to last. This frying pan isn't just another kitchen gadget that wears out after a few months. Misen has crafted it with high-quality materials, ensuring resistance to warping, even at high temperatures. Long-lasting nonstick performance, thanks to the triple-layered coating. A robust construction that withstands daily cooking demands. 3. Thoughtful design features. Misen knows that practicality is as important as performance. The frying pan boasts a perfectly flat base. This ensures even heat distribution, avoiding hot spots that can ruin your meals. Ergonomic handle. The Stay Cool handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, even when the pan is hot. Oven-safe capability. With a temperature tolerance of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this pan transitions seamlessly from stovetop to oven. 4. Versatile size. The 8-inch size is perfect for small to medium portions. Whether you're frying an egg, sautéing vegetables, or searing a chicken breast, this pan is the right fit for various tasks. 5. Easy maintenance. Cleaning up after cooking has never been easier. Thanks to its non-stick coating, the Misen frying pan is a breeze to clean, whether you're hand washing or using the dishwasher. Why Misen? The brand behind the pan. Misen has built a reputation for delivering high-quality kitchen tools at affordable prices. The company's philosophy revolves around making professional-grade cookware accessible to everyone. By focusing on thoughtful design, durability, and fair pricing, Misen has become a favorite among home cooks and culinary professionals alike. Real-life benefits of using the Misen frying pan. 1. No more sticking or scraping. Ever struggled to flip an omelet or remove fish from the pan without it falling apart? With the Misen frying pan, these problems are a thing of the past. Its non-stick surface makes even the trickiest dishes easy to cook and serve. 2. Healthier cooking. Since food doesn't stick, you can significantly reduce the amount of oil or butter you use. This makes it an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals. 3. Faster cooking and cleaning. The even heat distribution ensures your meals cook faster and more evenly. Plus, the easy clean surface saves you time during cleanup. 4. Durable performance. Unlike many nonstick pans that lose their coating over time, the Misen frying pan is designed to maintain its performance for years. 5. Stylish addition to your kitchen. With its sleek design and professional appearance, this pan not only performs well, but also looks great on your stovetop. Why this pan stands out? Effortless cooking. Say goodbye to stuck-on food. Long-lasting durability. Built to withstand years of use. Health-conscious design. Less oil, better results. Versatile and practical. Perfect for a range of cooking tasks. Easy to clean. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Final verdict. Is the Misen Premium Nonstick Frying Pan worth it? If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and versatile nonstick frying pan, the Misen Premium Nonstick Frying Pan checks all the boxes. Its superior nonstick performance, thoughtful design, and affordable price make it an essential addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, this pan delivers consistent results that make cooking more enjoyable. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your culinary game with Misen's premium cookware. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.